Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're doing our last Avengers fan pact with Iron Man. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Avengers 60th Anniversary Play at Home Kit, or pack in short. That's why we said fan pack number 3. So we have here the Iron Man. Okay, so you can see him in figure form and of course in picture form. So previously we've looked at the Captain America and the Hulk. You can take a look at the channel for those videos. Okay, but our focus would be this. I think this is the superior Iron Man. Okay, the silver costume or armor. Okay, on the side we have again the 3 Avengers featured, and at the back a short description of the product. Celebrate the Avengers 60th anniversary with an exciting new play-at-home kit release. Play-at-home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map, along with all new terrain markers to match the Avengers 60th anniversary set. Bring the legacy of both Avengers and Heroclix to your table with this new Iron Man figure and Iron Doom legacy card. So we get a bunch of stuff, map, terrains, legacy card, and of course the figure itself. But before we get into it, let's take a look at this info card of Avengers 2010s, Avengers through the years or through the ages, featuring Iron Man with a notable appearance of the Invincible Iron Man number 1 2022, just last year. So the last 60 years have been filled with epic battles, unforgettable moments, and fierce tests of loyalty. The Avengers are a pillar in comic book history and an undeniable cultural phenomenon. Heroclix pulls these extraordinary characters from the pages to the tabletop. Collect your favorite Marvel heroes, villains, and everyone in between. Okay, and that's really the beauty of Heroclix. It doesn't just take on old comic book history, okay, but even the latest stories. They try to make tabletop figures out of the characters. Okay, for example, we have the X-Men Krakoa Age, okay, which was released. There's already been 2 sets for that, House of X and X-Men X of Swords, and of course Avengers. This was the Iron Man with the symbiote. Okay, so this is 2022, so just last year, and it's already in Heroclix or tabletop figure format. Okay, enough of that, and let's go and get into the unboxing. The final goodies play-at-home kit. We have the figure. We have... Ooh, interesting. Let's look at the map first. I'm not gonna open it, but for sure I'm going to put a picture of the map in the video. This is once again a 16 by 16 map. Okay, so maps are now smaller. Okay, we have here the Council of Red Chambers outdoor. Okay, and on the other side of the map we have Avengers Tower outdoor. I think Hulk also had the Avengers Tower outdoor, so I wonder how different those 2 maps are. Okay, but both outdoor maps. We love outdoor maps. The next set of items are the terrain. So let's see. We have a trident. A trident, which is giant reach of 3 plus 1 attack. Okay, and then we have this one. Looks like a rock or a blocking terrain. We have a water, but it's not water. It's lava. Okay. The water is lava. Doesn't have any stat. Okay, that's unique. And then we have an elevated blocking combo terrain. Takes 5 to destroy. Very sturdy terrain for sure. And we have this hindering terrain. Okay. So the terrain looks like it fits that red chamber outdoor map. Okay. Let's take a look at the cards and see the one for the special terrain. Oh, pool of lava. Okay, just as I thought. Okay. So, pool of lava, you can see here the terrain, and the card says terrain effect. At the end of each player's turn, deal characters friendly to that player 1 penetrating damage if they occupy this terrain. So it's like poison, but at the end of the player's turn. So you can carry this. If you have super strength, you can carry and then drop it to your opponent's team, and they will be dealt 1 damage at the end of their turn. Okay, interesting. That looks like very useful. So we have a couple of character cards here. Let's start off with the legacy. Okay, this one I have. So I'm gonna be keeping this particular legacy card. Exiles, Weapon X, Armor, Politician, Ruler, and Scientist. Iron Doom has a trait, an engineered famine. When an opposing character within range would heal, they instead heal 1 click less. Okay. And a special defense power, Undisputed Monarch of Earth, Invincible, Mastermind, Shape Change, Protected Pulse Wave, and Outwit. Okay, so he always does those 3 powers. And a special damage power, 10-year plan to take over the world, Outwit, Perplex. When Iron Doom uses either, the duration doesn't end until he uses that power again, or this power is lost. Okay, so 125 points. Definitely, I'll try to build a team around this guy. At least try him for a match. That's the Iron Doom. And of course, we have here Superior Iron Man. Set 101. Avengers, Illuminati, Stark Industries, Symbiote, Armor, Celebrity, and Scientist keywords. Extremist 3.0, Perplex. When Superior Iron Man or a character with an Extremist token uses Perplex, after resolutions, give all targeted characters an Extremist token if they don't already have one. If all other standard characters on the map have an Extremist token, modify Superior Iron Man's combat values by +2. And he has Cosmic. Interesting. So you grant everyone Extremist token and you get +2 all stats. Interesting. Okay, but that means you also have to grant opposing characters. Okay. Might be good against 10-pole teams or non-swarm teams, I guess. Okay. He has a special defense power, my very own disposable army, invulnerability, mastermind, modify defense +1 for each adjacent character with an Extremist token. Okay. So I guess again this is the Tony Stark that is not so morally sound. Okay, so he uses a disposable army and a special damage power. You are all inferior. Giant, exploit weakness. When Superior Iron Man uses Perplex, he may instead target all opposing characters within range and line of fire and chooses 1 combat value for all. And has the Underworld team ability. So he can carry 1 or 2 if it's lower points and same keywords. Interesting. Okay, the special damage comes in at the end. Would have been better if it came at the top dial so that you can really activate this extremist 3.0 trait quickly. Okay, but for 75 points, he has that special defense power, I guess. Okay, interesting. Superior Iron Man. Okay, so this play-at-home kits have been fun and superior, I should say. Share your thoughts on the comments, everyone. And until the next video, keep buying, keep unboxing Heroclix. Bye-bye!